Peace FM 104.3. Good to meet you.
The NPP seems to be using state institutions, and that is quite unfortunate. Institutions are said to be minimum, and even if I have to give my life in defense of that institution, say they will never disappoint. And almost disappoint a military. Very disciplined group of people, but the IAC within this government, they are gradually destroying the military just as police. They have almost finished with the police. We are recruitment. Recruitment announcement in Tuja. Now I call SWA MPP party support says. Me who video be. Our training grounds. Ya man train on to me or the phone now. You have there. Adam or say I want to do the job. But I want let's say over do one now. Free and he mentioned it. A party for now buy. And I'm saying that when we do such a thing and we reduce the credibility of such institutions, it has the potential say a creative problem how. The AC or Bandam, say an embarrassing spectacle. In fact, and then we take defense minister. Now the defense minister justify say or no or muna directive say soldiers know who say a bit more tibasis almost stop. Are we in a lawless country? Say me kwa register. Na madam for a suspect say and your honor meeting. The system has a way of addressing that issue, a civilized way. Now, a state like Ghana, because who use military, no, and your party assembly is the state that is now promoting lawlessness. State, so because they will deploy military, say, Omunko, now will be air qua, now who say, Tibas no stop. No. Meanwhile, we have a process, a civilized way, and not Emma. Intawantawana confusion beti maba. And you have a minister of state or no all justifies or no na omuma instruction yourself so just no. But what I said don't get here. What see the major who is the commander? Or no TA na offer a commander. No commander no say oh they be sign NC.
Yeah.
And if an instruction really is given by the politician to the military to act the way they are acting. Ebani say na commander no a oye commander oye major oye commander or commanders are win oye chontro say the BBC NC. Now no pe we me wo TV program be na general see because of what is happening no yeah the report Emma UN ne UN for say adanse bia ni ho evidence bia ni ho a supported the aye can as a party enti onunu or decide say okay or call akoswe. So that is the reason why I onu call bandano. O call bandano said dia uyenu eye papa entiamra. Adentina so yes no age nipa phones omu twitwa dia omu ye no. Adentina omu gigi phones no omu delete videos. I think that we should not destroy as for say institutions wokoma state institutions mesre yanja military. We should not destroy the integrity of the military. One other institution, I think that we should not make that mistake. But now, BBAC, Usha, who said, I know the any institution, I will cry. And that is quite unfortunate because Sebio, my brother, Oti, Hanu, say, well, yeah, BBA, Maram Mammy Kwan said, me from Ranu Sheminsa. Na me sorry say because ebia me wo macho chain na me di me sabebon mra mma me sa kwan mra no ka chem say me nko institutions o metimi address say ebia wonu na wo sort me say ni party na wo aban mu no o say call report to my police who call police police be file statement or file ni statement now develop docket now we di court the court will then determine. But to the extent say because me a party NDC ni now ye MPP ninti ye kokota now be my judgment based on the party affiliation that is very dangerous. And I'm saying that we are gradually slipping to that point Ghana for omunji the institutions ending. and I'm weeping for this country. Me soon because every day me sorry na me who their AC no me can say we are drifting off to a point sebi say yanhwe ye e dey how beba. The military is being misused. This is a purely civilian activity registration. Now say obi kobasi obi na oba. And 3 days ago me who buses STC buses omu numbers any dey get about 5 of them. Ya true say a minister of state na all year arrangement or the ebimu air coverage say omu ko akwa register. Now you see there are two things here.
When the minister of state.
Buses, you know, your buses numbers, you know. Yeah, the numbers, you know, ama. Any the car, your track, you know, your buses, you know, to in voter region. The date of the departure, buses, you know, be free and cry. I call voter region for this last phase, you know. Yeah, those buses, we saw the buses leaving Accra to that point. But let me make this point clear. You see, sometimes, you know, Obi Owa or contesting a constituency in the village. Now, ABA or a group of people from that constituency living in Accra. Now, say, ABA or to me identify Omu through your own instrumentality or to me identify Omu. Say, okay, so me pese munko bibi amu free yen na munko register. I don't see anything wrong with it if nipa no free ho, because Mranu can say hail from or ordinary residents. So if nipa no free ho na udi ni kwa enyaboni. So for the minister to say yena yema sa yakano instruction say ye hu bus ana nipa tika moa mun stop. It is promotion endorsement of lawlessness. Ghana is a civilized country. Sir, in fact, say me na me Oman Penny and the Minister of State makes such a pronouncement, I would have sacked him. Because on Jindi say the remedy by the Electoral Commission will bet him solve problem. What is the SS? What is the duty of the agent or polling stations? The agent are supposed to raise the issue. In fact, one who says sitting members of parliament kura ebi mo challenge omu because this Kujo something Kujo, Deputy Minister of Energy, you are challenging one constituency. Domangu MP Niyiri, you are challenging on the basis of the fact say or see or frafrani or free upper east. But Emma Morrison on also on free bibia oye MP no obe ware. So say obe use the same yardstick to argue no. The Emma Morrison should not also be registering from where she is now leading as an MP. So you see the absurdity and bizarre situation MP before per se yewurom. So I'm saying say look, Nanado is gradually destroying the institutions of state and that is dangerous.
But say what we say later fee asra for haba. Nina unyi ni still already say phone show much is
na minister no say minister no kasa na minister no akasa minister no say muna mima instruction ye na yema instruction say omuhu say ebi mu tibas no stop omu. You want me to believe the chief of defense staff? The minister is saying is in fact chief of defense staff or who minister no or Solutun or who Dominic Nitu or Solutun or best Salutun. Because we are representative of the president, commander in chief of the Ghana Armed Forces. So minister no no, and because the minister is an interested party. As for the commander, I can't say chief of defense staff no, or no bet me neutral kakra. But I cannot even guarantee say bet neutral kakra because I ban way na I appointing. But the point I'm making is say misuse of the military in a purely civilian activity dangerous. Yankuntakwa. The only time yebema military nu beba nu say ombeba be born they defend territorial integrity.
All right.
But yeni obiria enye war.
Okay.
Yeni Togo for enye war. Yeni Burkina for enye war. Yeni Cote d'Ivoire enye war. Argentina will deploy soldiers for what? So what is the essence of the police? So their AC or bandanu say, and it tells you clearly say enye no kure say nanado.
What about say maybe they want to beef security?
But if you want to beef security, you beef security not the way omuyen stopping people. Nipanu was right to justify and they say who stopping me. Now catch and say oh unya Ghana ni na me pes na me yi all the documents chirewo na me tika all stop say umma me kwan because your mouth instruction say you are violating my right.
Okay,
you are violating my right. 2 enye always say nipanu kita card na ebetimi achire because mranu so ma kwan say ubetimi guarantee ama obi. So say me Ghana ni na manye Ghana card na me say me kwa register, but because bibi am free no wa na me tikam no kwa now stop because me tikam no ube say me nanti
Medase Alhaji Medase papa Peace 104.3 FM so any quick
Peace FM 104.3 Would you mean